Hi, I am Tunzi, and today I'll show you how to add and manage staff members. In the Yoco app, navigate your way to Manage and select Staff, then click on New Staff Member. You'll need to select a user type for your new staff member. You can choose from preset categories with different permission levels or create a custom staff profile by selecting specific permissions. For this demonstration, we'll create a standard staff member with limited access. For an added layer of security, set up a PIN for your staff members. This PIN allows them to log into the POS app and card machines when switching between staff accounts. Enter the PIN, confirm it, and click Save. Then enter the staff member's first and last name and tap Save again. On your Yoco Counter or the POS app on your own device, your staff is now able to select their profile and log in with their PIN number. On Yoco Counter or the Yoco POS app on your own device, staff can view their own sales under the Sales History and Reports tab. The level of detail they see depends on the permissions you granted them when setting up their profile. As the business owner, you can view all staff sales in the Yoco app. From the hub, go to Sales, then tap Sales History. Here you'll find all business transactions. You can view which staff member performed each transaction and filter results by specific staff members.